Everywhere boxes. Yes, my friends, boxes. These are all box varieties from the silk segment. If I talk about silk segment, we do have a low range and high range, but today we are going to see only the exclusive box varieties of Kesaria Textile Manufactures Doriwala Square building next to Mohan Sweets. So walkable distance from Surat railway station. All these new varieties you can purchase from Kesaria Manufactures. Visit purchase, online purchase, with video calling purchase quickly. And season to season, the new collections has come. For this collections also, today I am going to show you this only exclusive box varieties, 900 rupees to 1700 rupees. Yes, my friends, 900 rupees range of to 1700 range of varieties. So please let's see the samples. You all know me, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. If you're watching this channel first time, you can subscribe it, and this collections where you can purchase at wholesale price with the right manufacturers Kesaria, and you can do online purchase. If you are already into clothing business, you can add these new varieties season to season. Subscribe the channel, you will get regularly product updates. You can do online visit purchase also, which is located in Surat, and especially if you are located in out of country, you can also purchase minimum 1 lakh advance payments doing. You can contact. We do have online services. There are sales executives to guide and to support you and to converse with you, and we will provide you the smooth services. So let's see the collections. So today I brought, as I said, 900 range of 1700 varieties. So first I'll start with very beautiful, pretty, functional and fancy silk sari. This is a light Rama green color shade, which is very beautiful. High brand silk is the code, and you can see the foil print with weaving, and this is the high brand silk. These type of saris you can purchase with the color charts. Very pretty sari, soft silk with the fancy you can purchase. If I talk about pre-wedding and engagement saris, this is a beautiful, lovely sari, red color, satin silk, which is 𝐀𝐝𝐝𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐬 silk. Same saree which you are watching in the catalog, you have a 7 colors, 6 colors. You can share in your families also, and reselling you can see such color options with your customers. So very pretty saree, 𝐀𝐝𝐝𝐬𝐬 silk. This is a satin silk, leafy weaving work which has been done. If I talk about the matte look, the Paithani, very lovely Paithani, beige green with a beautiful peacock design, which is given as Kanjivaram Surekha is the code. In this also you have a matte Bandhani concept you can purchase. If I come to the plain concepts, we do have a plain sari, very pretty, dark purple, which is a dark purple with a matte golden floral weaving which has done, which is an umbrella fancy tassel you can see here. The dark satin silk heavy border with the leafy pattern. You have a plain sari with a Kanchivaram pattern. This sari, if I talk about, this is Rajni silk is the code. Rajni silk is the code. If I talk about matte look, you have a floral base, very pretty. The onion pink color, the onion pink shade, which is very pretty. You have a floral, and this kind of saris where you can see, which is Paris Beauty Silk. This is a code which I am sharing you the code. You can take a screenshot and you can quickly add in your business. If I talk about the next formal color with a small butta weaving, you have a small butta weaving, you have a design which is a weaving with a matte look, and this concept you have a formal grey color with the official color, you have a mini butta weaving, we have a heavy tassels. So this is a code if I talk about, which is Look Shilpa Silk. Look Shilpa Silk is the code. If I talk about the dark maroon, floral leafy weaving with the Pashmina pattern, the Pashmina silk pattern, you have a heavy concept of multicolor weaving with the green color fancy tassel over here, and these kind of formal and the casual with the traditional base. Every state varieties you can purchase set to set, and when you're coming into a business, you have a business varieties, all the mixed kind of collections you have to purchase. This is also Look Shakti Silk is the code. So my friends, you have seen here the Pashmina silk, formal classy silk, matte look floral and plain come border. you have a bandhani come matte look, wedding concepts and pre-wedding, fancy come functional wear concepts. So these kind of ranges are 900 rupees to 1700, only of the customer friendly budget of factory price. No quality doubt, no quantity doubt. Every sari you are having these kind of boxes, and quality, and every bunch when you can purchase 7 colors, 6 colors based on the price and the fabric and the design. Hope you enjoyed these kind of varieties. So quickly, before getting out of stock, my friends, go ahead, the numbers are scrolling on the screen. You have no language barrier. You can do visit call, video calling purchase, which is located at 3 minutes walkable distance from Surat railway station. And don't forget to share your name and city in the comment box. Subscribe the channel, share the link with your friends, relatives, and if you want to do a business, you can have a online purchase quickly, and you can add. So try to visit. So next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting me. Bye bye, friends.